Hey everyone, I'm responding to week 7, question 1. How and why did the dissolution of the Soviet Union and the end of the Cold War represent a traumatic event for the international system? Primarily, this is because with the end of the Cold War, the bipolar system that had existed between the two superpowers for about 4 decades ceased to exist. In the last chapter, this was described as having created a power vacuum in international politics. One of the poles ceased to exist, and it just kind of upset the entire system and the balance in the international system. Additionally, with the end of the Cold War and the breakaway of 15 independent nations, a stagnant, ill-prepared system in Russia economically and politically. It just was unable to rebound from what he called the lifting of the Iron Curtain and the fall of the Berlin Wall. So I think also as both nations had become not comfortable, but used to the threat of the Cold War, used to the possibility of direct confrontation that could lead to nuclear annihilation. It was predictable. We knew what they were doing. They knew what we were doing. And as one person said, I'm sorry, I don't remember who it was. We build, they build, we stop, they'll stop. And then the entire system came crumbling down. We were not prepared as a nation for our new role in a unipolar system. We also weren't prepared to deal with the fallout militarily, politically, and economically in Russia, even though its economy was stagnated at the time and the military was a burden, and politically it could not sustain itself anymore. We just weren't prepared for the ideological shift that came with the end of the Cold War. Thank you so much, and I hope that answers the question.